Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by bringing your media into the editor so you can work quickly. Import files via drag and drop or file import and watch thumbnails populate. Once done, make folders or bins for photos, video, and audio to avoid hunting for clips later. Make sure to set project settings now. Choose frame rate 30 and resolution 1920x 1080 so edits match your delivery. This saves time and prevents quality mismatches as you build your timeline and edit choice. You now craft the story by arranging clips on the timeline, trim ends, use ripple delete to keep flow, and keep snapping on for precise placement. Then correct exposure and white balance to make visuals consistent across clips, and apply stabilization to reduce shake. These fixes prevent distraction. Next, add transitions and keyframes for motion, and drop B-roll on overlay tracks to support your main shots. As you work, play back frequently to check pacing and continuity. You finish by exporting with the right preset so delivery is crisp. Pick H, 264, 1920x 1080, and a 1015 Mbps bitrate for web upload. Before exporting, scan audio levels and normalize dialogue so voices sit above background music without peaking. Once done, render a short section to confirm quality. If problems appear, missing clips, glitches, or export failures, clear the media cache, relink offline files, and, if needed, lower the bitrate or render in segments to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.